Students, today we are discuss the remaining part of the poverty in economics. Dear students, first of all, what is poverty? You know that the inability to fulfill the basic requirement of life is called poverty. The basic requirement of a people is food, shelter, clothes. When the people they don't able to fulfill the all of these, then you can say the poor is poor or the people is poor. Clear, beta? So, how to improve the poverty from the economy by the government? So, government make the lot of policies and plan for the development of the society and remove the poverty from the economy. So, dear students, the first plan is Swarn Gram Swarozgar Yojana. Dear students, these yojana start by the government of India for the remove poverty in rural areas. These yojana launched in village in April 1999. So these yojana is also create the self-employment opportunity to a people, because when the people is self-employed in the rural areas, then the poverty will be removed. The next yojana is National Rural Livelihood Mission. Dear students, this scheme is also known as Ajivika. It's implemented in 150 districts in the year 2012 and 13. The scheme will be expanded to another 150 districts by 2014 and 15, and by the end of 2016 or 17, the scheme will be expanded to whole countries. It's provided about 90 lakhs people self-employment opportunity. Dear students, National Rural Livelihood Mission. Under this mission, the government, first of all, this scheme start in a 150 district. After that, next year is another 150 district, and nowadays it is implemented in the whole country. And this mission is also provided about 90 lakhs persons self-employment opportunity. Next one is Sampurn Gramin Rozgar Yojana. Dear students, this yojana launched in India on 1st September 2001. Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana and Employment and Assurance Scheme were integrated into a single yojana. The main object of the yojana are to provide employment opportunity to surplus worker, to focus on the development of regional economical and social condition, and next one to focus on the development of infrastructure. Next one is Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana. Dear students, this yojana launched in 2001. Its main aim is increase the living standard of the rural people and develop the health, primary education, drinking water, housing, road, etc. Next, Jayaprakash Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. Dear students, this yojana provided guaranteed employment in the most backward district of the country. Jayaprakash Rozgar Guarantee Yojana provided employment opportunity guarantee in rural areas. Next one, Swarn Jayanti Shahari Rozgar Yojana. Dear students, this yojana launched on December 1, 1997. इस योजना को दिसंबर 1997 में लॉन्च किया गया। ये नेहरू रोजगार योजना और प्राइम मिनिस्टर इंटीग्रेटेड अर्बन पॉवर्टी इरिगेशन प्रोग्राम दोनों को मर्ज करके बनाया गया है। द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस योजना इज टू प्रोवाइडेड सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट और वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू अर्बन अनएम्प्लॉयड और अंडरएम्प्लॉयड पर्सन। नेक्स्ट वन इज प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना। Dear students, the scheme is for providing employment to educate unemployed. The people is educated but they have no employment opportunity. So these yojanas provided the employment opportunity of educated people. The scheme provide a loan of up to 1 lakh for opening his own enterprises and ₹2 lakh for other activity। ये स्कीम सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट को जनरेट करती है। जो लोग पढ़े लिखे हैं, जिनके पास कोई काम नहीं है, उन पढ़े लिखे लोगों को अपना सेल्फ बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए 1 लाख रुपए और अदर एक्टिविटी के लिए 2 लाख रुपए तक का फंड अवेलेबल कराता है। नेक्स्ट वन, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्मॉल एंड कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री। Dear students, we know that the small scale industry is a labor intensive industries. Under these industries, the lot of labor used for the production of goods and services. So dear students, the lot of small scale industries developed by the government, because government understand when the small scale industry is developed in the economy, then the people catch the lot of job opportunity in small scale industry and they earn more and the poverty removed from the economy. Next one, minimum need program. Dear students, under this program the government is always focus the minimum need of the people. So the government try to fulfill the all minimum requirement of life by himself. So at the moment the people is free from the fulfill the minimum requirement of life and they start earn for somewhere and earn more, then the level of per capita income rises in the economy and the poverty will be removed. Next one, महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी योजना। Under this act, all those who are willing to work at the minimum wage are afford work for a minimum period of 100 days। जो लोग करंट वेज रेट पर काम करना चाहते हैं उनको अबाउट 100 डेज के लिए काम अवेलेबल कराया जाएगा, जिससे आपका जो रूरल एरियाज़ है, जो लोग काम करने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, उनको रेगुलर वर्क मिलेगा, जिससे उनकी लेवल ऑफ इनकम राइज होगी, उनकी परचेजिंग पावर राइज होगी एंड दे वर एबल टू फुलफिल द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ लाइफ एंड द पॉवर्टी विल बी रिमूव्ड। क्लियर बेटा? सो दैट्स योर लॉट ऑफ स्कीम्स today we are discuss start by the government for the remove poverty from the economy. Clear beta? So your poverty is finished. So under this chapter you already discussed what is poverty, briefly explain the types of poverty, what is poverty line, briefly explain cause of poverty. Next one, briefly explain how to remove poverty, or the last question is briefly explain how to remove poverty by the government with the help of different schemes. Clear? So dear students, you prepare all the questions on your fair copy and you will learn one by one each question. If you have any doubt in this chapter, then you can take any doubt anytime. Clear? The some students do not choose attendance each day, so I request to you, you will choose your attendance each day in the group. Thank you very much.